Do you think she's single or in a relationship?
I feel like she's single.
Why?
She's got that like swag. Like she's just, her outfit is so nice. She's got that, I don't know. She's just giving like, I'm on my own, I'm doing my own thing.
Yeah. Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single.
Do you think she's single or in a relationship?
In a relationship.
Why do you say that?
She's very pretty to be single. She's too pretty to be single.
Are you single or in a relationship?
In a relationship.
Do you think this girl is single or in a relationship?
Ngizokushaya. Ngizokushaya. Kithi mina kubuzwa nini ukuthi ngisingle?
Ngizobuza nawe.
Ngibuzwa abantu. Ayibona. Kihlangana phi nje? Wazwa muhle. Hayi ngeke uthathiwe lona. Uthathiwe.
Why is she njalo ngoba muhle?
She's pretty.
Yeah.
Nothing specifically nje. She's so pretty.
Yeah.
She looks cuffed. Yeah.
Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm married.
You're married, honey. Where's the ring?
I don't have a ring. I'm lobolet. So.
Oh.